Hello friends. This video shows you how to grow bitter melon from ripe bitter melon fruit. These are ripe bitter melons. When ripe it will split like this. These fruits have seeds that have fallen out. I will find another one. Here it is, this fruit. These fruits still have seeds. I will pick this fruit and get seeds to plant. Take it apart. This is its seed. I take all these seeds. Now I will sow it in the ground. Water it and wait for the results. After 5 days, seeds germinate very well. Now you can separate the plants to plant. Very simple, right? The video ends here. Goodbye and see you again.